Hey y'all, today's video is on the Haloview backup camera system that includes TPMS. The Haloview comes with everything you need to install it. And we've already got the camera installed, and I'm not going to show a video on that because we've already done a couple. I'll put a link to it up here if you want to go watch one of those on the installation of the camera.
So here's the Haloview signal booster, one of two. So we're going to mount this guy inside where our hydraulic system is for the leveling. We're going to mount it in here. We're going to give it power on this cable. This cable here is going to the marker light slash side camera for the Haloview system. So whenever we're using the Haloview cameras, we also have power for the TPS booster. So let's get it mounted and wired up in here. Okay, so we have our signal booster mounted in here using the 3M tape that's already mounted to the back of it. We got the power tied in on this side. Come around over here. We installed the second booster in this compartment with the battery. It's mounted in there, and we got them powered up. So all we have to do now is we have this neat little switch here that turns on your marker lights for your camper. So the marker lights are on. So now you can see the green light. Maybe that's on the signal booster on this side. Let's walk around over to here. And there's still the green light for this one. So now we have both the signal boosters mounted and powered up. We're going to power up the monitor and see what happens. So right now we've got 5 of our tires where we learned the sensor itself. So all you do is once you get everything set up, get your high pressure, low pressure, temperature limits and everything you want going, you make sure you got this one highlighted, the last one to do. You'll hit auto learn and it'll say waiting. And so all we're going to do is go outside and take the sensor back off. We'll put the sensor back on. Come on, baby. So this is our old one. So this is the tool to remove the old system. So you hit the lock nut, then you back off your sensor, take your lock nut off. So you take your new lock nut for your new sensor. And the camera watches you, so you can't screw it on. Take your new sensor, screw it on tight. You have to get your different tool. Tools are different. And that's it.
Yep, I got it.
So this is the TPS monitor screen. So this is what you would see driving down the road, but y'all can tell we're actually in the camper. Which is good about this system is if you have your cameras or whatever on a power source all the time, then not only could you check this prior to leaving, which is highly suggested, you can come into the camera modes and use your camera modes as a security system. So we can see both sides of our camper and the back of the camper, where the truck's at. To get back to the TPS, you have to pick a camera. So the only way I figured it out. Then you double tap and you'll get that icon and you're able to go back to your TPS.
And right now we're just using a little portable pack in here. but we would normally plug it into our USB that's in here.
That's correct.
This is actually a travel day for us, so we'll be trying it out, and I'll do another video updating you and show you how it looks when it's actually working in the truck. So make sure that you're subscribed to the channel so you don't miss that. Thanks for watching.